I wanted to show you the light switches, because again those have to be cleaned. So I'll take my smelly out. Again, soapy water, not squeeze it out, you know, you don't want it wet because obviously it's electric. Switch that off, and then again just give that a wipe over. That's it. Go around, and then I'll just go up and then go across, and then that's cleaned with the soapy water. Then I will go over with my cloth with the Sufflora. Also I don't put my smelly back in straight away. I'll just leave that so it dries out, and that's that. In a bit.
Say, I know, you know, it's all I see you being